Now I'm going to get you under there with me. I'm going to transfer my light. They missed that one, didn't they? I'm going to get my light in here, get my camera set up in here. We're going to take a look at this and see if we've got any issues under here. Okay? Stick with me. This is our first step on checking out underneath the stairs to see if we have to do anything under here to fix those floor tiles on the deck. You think I can get through here? I think I can. Well, we are underneath that staircase and that deck. You see here? Look at that. That's the deck area. Well, and then the stairs, I think, go on down over there. And here's this little bit here. Oh, you're kidding. I think I'm gonna have to go up there and do some measuring, but see, these are the little floor joists. They're structural floor joists, the bottom piece and the vertical piece along with the top. These look pretty good, actually. And they stop on this wall here, and then I think the stairs are on the other side of that. So you know what that means? I believe that means I'm going to have to cut another hole here, over here, to get underneath those stairs. Because I know the stairs, boom, 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 and up from the stairs is right where that other side is, huh? So, wow, I'm glad I came down here. This is all nice here. This is where that deck is to there, and then the steps. So, you know, I was thinking initially that these extended from the house all the way over to the other side of where the stairs go, but it's not the case. Looks like these end right here. So whatever's underneath those tiles that are broken up, that could be actually the floor joist that's broken. Because I was like, how could the floor joist be broken over there and everything from here this way be straight? Well, now we know why, huh? Because it's all supported here. This stops here. I'm going to have to cut another hole here. Good grief. Okay. I think I'll resituate myself, and it's probably going to be, we can cut it right in there or right here. I'll set my my camera up because I want you to see me cut out this next hole before we go through there. I'll get a vantage point, resituate my light. My light facing over there. I think I'm going to set up over here. Okay, I'll do that, and I'll cut a hole right in there. Okay. Now, I probably, for the sake of argument, I should probably go up there and do a little measuring. I'm pretty sure everything is fine there, but I want to do a little bit of measuring because I see some nails, you know, like staples last thing I want to do is drill through and find out I'm hitting stucco or something. You know what I mean? And I don't really think I'm going to. I think that goes across and over. I'm not sure why. They might have put paper on that. I'm not sure why they would have done that. I think I'm okay to cut through there. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to run up there and double check. Be safe rather than sorry. I guess I could drill a hole with my paddle bit too and see if it hits anything. You know? I don't think I'm going to hit stucco there. I'm trying to go slow. It feels like I'm hitting stucco there. Shoot. You know, they could have stuccoed that wall and then continued on the stairs down further, but I'm going to take some measurements here and double check. I got 8 feet or so. See, I'm not sure if I can gain access to that area without getting into that stucco. Dabbity nabbit. What's up with that? I don't know why they would have done that. Not sure. Ooh. I think we got a little termite issue over here too going on. Where this is, we had a termite inspection before we closed on the house, but they couldn't get under this area here. And I'm not sure if that was termites or not. All this stuff down here, see, there's some stuff up in there. Oh, I don't know what's over there. Whatever it is, it doesn't look very good, does it? Here's some more stuff right there. All kinds of stuff down there. Might be a good thing that I'm doing this. But see, this is where the stairs are coming down. And I'm not sure why they would have cut or stuccoed that section of the wall that's 8 foot. I'm going to go out there and check it out. Be right back. Boy, I'm all out of breath. Went back out there, and yes, this is 8 feet, and then it goes further, and then the stairs go on down that way. Boop, 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 boop. And I just poked a screwdriver, a crummy screwdriver through here, and it looks like maybe they put a thin layer of concrete on this, and I'm thinking they might have made a mistake. Like they started doing that, and then somebody else said, hey, don't do that, we still have to build that out over there for the stairs. Oh, okay, sorry about that. And I'm thinking from this point that way, there's probably 1 or 2 floor joists. They're maybe made out of 2x6, 2x8 material. 2x6 meaning 6 inches, but 2x6 is only 5 1/4. And they might have ran that up there. I don't think they have these types of beams beyond for the floor joists. I think it might be something else, but won't really know until going through here. And I made the determination while I was thinking, okay, should I pull the tiles up? And worst case scenario, leave this, don't cut this out, but then drop down through the floor. But then I'm gonna have to cut the flooring. I'm gonna have to cut the paper or whatever they have up above here for the tile to set on, and that could bring a big mess in itself. And plus, I probably want to gain access to this area anyways for future, and so I think what I have to do is cut this out, and I'm gonna have to drill some holes in here with my paddle bit, and I'll probably start down here kind of low. I think you can see all this. Let's see, down about there. Yeah, I can tilt this camera just a hair, you know, like that. And then I may have to use a dull sawzall blade or something. It looks like there's wire. I'm feeling like chicken wire. If they would have put that on the outside here too. And so that's my next steps, to cut that out and cut that other stuff out of there, tap it out, do something, cut the wire out. That's going to take a little bit of time and effort, and it's dinner time right now, so I'm going to stop for right now. But this is my next step to get over there. Now, hopefully you're learning something and you want to stick with me to watch my other videos of this. I may list this as part 1, part 2, part 3, or something like this, but this is going to be a nice little project, and I don't have all the answers just yet. A little bit as I go, it'll become clear, and you'll learn as we go. What more could you ask for?